Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MCQs of the day. If the interim of an arithmetic progression, here AP means arithmetic progression, is 3n plus 7, then what is the sum of first 50 terms? So in this question, we have given interim of an arithmetic sequence, which is n equal to 3n plus 7. Then we have to find sum of the first 50 terms. Given that n equal to 3n plus 7. So if we put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, a1 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus 7 equal to 10. Mean that first term of the given sequence is 10. Similarly, if we put n is equal to 2, a2 equal to 3 times 2 plus 7 equal to 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Similarly, if n is equal to 3, a3 equal to 3 times 3 plus 7 equal to 9 plus 7 equal to 16. If we put n is equal to 4, a4 equal to 3 times 4 plus 7 equal to 19. Hence the given sequence is first term is 10, second term 13, third term 16, fourth term 19, and so on. So a1 equal to 10. Now we have to find the common difference. So common difference is subtract every second term from the first term. 13 minus 10 equal to 3. Means that a1 equal to 10, b equal to 3. So we have to find sum of first 50 terms. So we have to find sum of the first 50 terms. For this, we are using Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 into b. So this is some formula for n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. If a1 is the first term of the given sequence, n is the number of terms of the given sequence, and d shows the common difference. So we have to find sum of the first 50 terms. So n terms means 50 terms equal to, put n is equal to 50 here, 50 by 2 times 2 times a1 equal to 10 plus n equal to 50 minus 1 into d equal to 3. So this implies that 25 2s are 50, 2 multiplied by 10, 20 plus 49 multiplied by 30. So sum of the first 50 terms equal to 25 times 20 plus 49, 3s are 147. So sum of first 50 term equal to 25 times 20 plus 147 equal to 167. So sum of the first 50 terms equal to, if we multiply 25 with 167, then it will give me 4175. So sum of the first 50 terms is 4175. So option C is the right option. Thanks.